Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to actually install the latest Android Video 3.3.2. So just follow along with me. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so you just have to go to developer.android.com. Don't worry, I'll post the link down below. You click and then you have to, but before you have to be like this, and then when you check this box and then you click download. So I've already downloaded it in order to save the time, not to waste you guys time. That's why I just want to demonstrate the method, but let's just go ahead. After you download it, double click. It will take some time to open. Click yes. Click next. Next, you have to choose your folder you have to install it. You have to store it on, so I'll just leave it as default C drive. Click next and you click install. So install, so you can see the show detail here, so you can see everything how it is working. So it's gonna take some few minutes. It depends on your system and your internet speed. So we are almost through, we are almost done. And before you go out with the installation, you have to make sure you install Java. So I already make a video on that. I'm going to post it, post the link down below. So you have to check out Java before you go ahead with installing Android Studio. We're almost done extracting, blah 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 blah. We're almost done. Complete. As you can see, we don't have any red, so you have to verify. If there's any red, you know you have a little problem, so there's no red. Click next. I'll click finish. Moving to the second step and the final one. Do not import setting previous. Even though I've installed the previous, I've installed an Android Studio before, but I've already uninstalled it, so I'll just still do not import setting. And okay. So we have to click next. Take standard. So you want to take custom, it's up to you. Take next. To me, I'll take the dark. I love using dark, so I'll take this one. It's up to you. Take this one. You want to take this IntelliJ. Okay. You want to take this one. Okay. The one is hello world.java. Blah blah blah, all the same. So click next. If you want to review or change any of your installation setting, click previous, no problem, and then click finish. The already installed Android Studio is up to date, so click finish. So thank you guys. When you finish install everything, this is how it's going to look like. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If there's any comment, please leave it down below. If not, see you next time.